Question, how do you get that Olympic vibe?
Layer details, 10-meter platform, televised style. Screenshot this workflow.
Question, how do you nail that satisfying ASMR feel?
Right for the senses. Fruit with special material, slicing motion. Screenshot this workflow.
Question, how do you make mukbang this wild?
It's all about contrast. Normal action plus impossible object. Screenshot this workflow.
So excited to have you here with me. This is a space where we can
Question,
talk about everything
how do you
from
make this
music
cute
to
baby
creativity to
doing
lifestyle
podcast?
and the little moments that inspire us.
Give it context like a famous person podcast, but in baby version. Screenshot this workflow.
Question, how do you make CGI level visual effects for commercial ads?
Structure like a director. Foreground, model poses. Background, building explodes. Screenshot this workflow.
Question, how do you make old school video game style 3D documentary?
Use detailed language. Low poly, 3D rendered, Unreal Engine cutscene. Screenshot this workflow. And that's it. 6 styles, 6 formulas, 1 tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more of the latest and hottest AI tutorials from OpenCreator. You can grab the free workflow link in the description below. Bye.